In this video, I'm going to show you how to use start and stop button to control a circuit. Okay. The essence of all these stories is when you get into the field, you meet all these devices, maybe your residential, and when you click on the industrial part of these tutorials, you will find accessories and equipment and so many materials that are being used in the industries. And now I'm going to show you how to use start and stop button in your residential building. So we have a power source of 220 volts. We connect the neutral side to this terminal, and we connect the X line to this terminal. Now we are going to connect the light to this terminal, and now we bring the head line of this bulb also, connect it together with the other head line. Then we connect the lifeline to this terminal, and we bring the neutral line down to this terminal. Now we have our circuit ready, start and stop button, and let's see whether the circuit worked. Okay, put on your multimeter, put your probe on the lifeline and on the neutral line. Now we have 0 volts because I have not pressed the start button. So the moment I click on the start button and I press it down, let's see what happened to our bulb. Okay, our bulb comes on and we can read 219 volts. And the moment I release the button, what happened to the bulb? The bulb goes off and we have 0 volts on the 2 terminals. Now the access of the start and button will be shown to you during motor controls videos, so you'll be able to know how to latch it. So when you just press it once, it gives you a supply and the supply stays, and you have to press stop before the stop supply will be cut off. Alright, this is all about switches in residential electricity. Thank you.